This is Gerald Tuivas. I already finalized a video explaining glass and then followed by class, and so why not even extend this the possibilities of similar words with just a letter difference. I will go to grass and I will also go to gross. So let's go and find out how the focuses of letters drives you into the direction of a certain formation process and also meaningfulness of the combinations of these particular combinations of letters. And of course in the background you had this theory which you can fall back upon. The first letter was the G, which I already explained before. So you had this vision of upon the frame. Actually it's about the frame which actually has a relation with the bigger frame. The bigger frame has a reflection into a smaller frame, meaning something comes from somewhere else and reflects itself and shows itself. That's more or less the effect that it will have. And the R will make connections. So of course the connections will go from one area to another area, from one region to another region. It connects material. The A is a little bit more pronounced like A. So between O and A shows also the range of the vision, where we focus upon it as a spatial frame. The A is a spatial frame of the object, and the O sound is always going beyond the object, so it goes also to the environment of the object. It's mostly used for forms that are not so steady into strong form, but for instance have a lot of forms that go further into the environment, and they all fit together as well, so they still are part of the object. So you have to include the environment as well. That includes part of it, and that's the same for grass. Of course it will also include the environment, the bigger environment to it, and it will be interacting as well. It will still be an interacting and a reflection as well, the reflection of where it comes from and the reflection of where it goes to, both of them. And this interaction as well, this interaction field, is the grass. Gross it's also a German word that is also an English word. The German word means big, and the English word you understand. The same thing is happening here, but the space in which we focus is only the O, so only the environment. So of course all the reflections are not just a reflection of the bottom up to the sky. No, it's only what is in the sky. So it's only this enlarging reflections connected from below from one region to another, but enlarging itself actually, and that this enlargement can have a connotation that is negative or positive. It doesn't matter, but that's the focus. That's what the focus is about. It's reflecting itself into an enlargement of all the effects that comes from somewhere else, and that seeps through almost like, and enlarges itself at that point. I hope these were clear enough. It was just a small demonstration again of the theory, which is also called sound in form, for that reason that you can see the results also as well, that you can make a kind of deliberate synesthesia effect, that you can use this kind of deliberate synesthesia effect to show us what is really beyond the letter combinations, what they express, and how our focus goes towards it and finds its expression into these combinations. Thanks again for watching. Some books and some website and some Facebook page. Go ahead and have a look there. Thanks again for watching. Bye.